Hello again. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. I will do a binary in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 10th, 2020. We have two puzzles left, a binary puzzle and a tectonic. And this one, binary, will be number 1867. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there and O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then I need to compare. No. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes. And look, the 3rd row and the 7th row. We have here 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Do I need to compare again? I think we need to compare the 2nd row and the 6th row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 3 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 3 stars. Yes, thank you, and bye-bye for now.